just electrocuted myself. Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's the confidence. I'm confident. Fashion ain't dead. What you thought wrong?
Hey y'all. I'm so excited. I finally got me one of these. It's the split end trimmer. Cordless split end trimmer. I saw it on TikTok for a year, and I finally got one because I'm like, you know what? I have the worst split ends ever, and child, I don't want to cut my hair off, so I'm gonna try it. I just got back from the gym. I'm about to get in the shower, wash my hair. Oh, let me show you the products that I'm about to use to wash my hair. Okay, I got this Millie shampoo, rosemary mint strengthening shampoo. Now look, it ain't the the top is gone, but you know what? I got it on clearance. Guess how much it was? $2.49. Yes. So I copped that. Y'all better go check out the clearance out in your local grocery stores because they be having some gems up in there. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just gonna twist off the top and use it. I don't know how much this really costs. I think it's like $12 or $13, but $2.49. Wow. And this silicone mix. Now I've heard some really great things about this, and I also heard it was bad for your hair, but at this point I'm desperate. Like, my hair is so dry and I need some strength. So hopefully when I cut my split ends off and I condition it real good, we'll get some better results. So let me go get in the shower, wash my hair, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Look at that. It's a knot right there. I have like very fine, and I would say thin, but they told me to say fine. I have very fine hair, and it gets very tangled at the ends. It's always knots. I mean, I don't even know what to do. So I'm hoping that when I clip these split ends off, because I do notice that when I trim my hair, it's less tangly. So I'm hoping that, see, I just cut this off because ain't nobody got time for that. Like, whatever. I don't even think I cut the knot off. I did not. Yeah. I'm hoping that when I get these split ends off, that my hair will be a little bit more manageable, because I feel like I am like ripping out my hair every time I wash it. Like, is this a lot of hair? Comment in the chat below. Is this a lot of hair for wash day that comes out? Because I feel like this is half of my hair. Like I said, my hair is really fine. I feel like this is half of my head, hair on my head. So y'all let me know. And let's get to it. So first I'm going to blow out my hair, and then I'm gonna use the split end trimmer. Oh my God, I just electrocuted myself. Oh my God. Oh my God. My hands are wet. And my blow dryer is like this. And when I touch this to push it in, electrocution. Let me turn it off. Oh my God. That was scary. You know what's funny? That's like the second time I've been electrocuted. Like, one time when I was little, I decided I wanted to take my fan apart. So I, like, you know, got on a chair and took the fan apart. And then I turned on the light. Didn't work. So I was like, oh, okay, cool. And then I decided to connect the wires back, and I was like, right. That's what that just felt like. But let me see something. All right, safe. So first I'm going to spray a little heat protectant on it. Mind you, I don't know how to do my hair, so please, if I'm doing something wrong, let me know in the chat. I use this thermal heat protection first. I usually just spray it in the section. I put it in 3 sections, right? So I'm gonna start with the back, start blowing it out. I am gonna use this clip that came with the cordless split end trimmer. Put a little section up. All right, I'm just gonna do it section by section. People use this split end trimmer. I didn't see a lot of people my ethnicity using it, but the few that I did see, they had their hair straightened. But I did see a couple girls that said you didn't have to have it all the way straight. So, and the longer I stay in this humid bathroom, because I just got the shower, the more my hair is going to curl back up. But let's get started. Okay, how do I want to do this? I think I'm gonna just do it section by section. I'm gonna start in the front because it's just easier for me to do the front. Okay. Now I have suffered from split ends like my entire life. I thought it was because I had a perm when I was little, and I thought that's why my hair was so thin also, but I've been natural for like 8 years, and my hair is still like exactly the same as when I had a perm, but that's neither here nor there. I'm like, can you see my split ends? Like, sometimes I'll just like do my hair like this and I'll just see the whole thing is split ends, split ends, split ends. So hopefully this changes my life because I feel like my hair been this length for at least 7 years. Like, it doesn't grow past this. And I think it's because of my split ends. So here we go. It came with a USB-C charger. I did charge it up last night. I don't know what to do. Okay. Okay, I think I'm just going to take this little section right here. I feel like it can be bigger than that, but I'm not really sure. Ow. Okay. Why am I using this big old color? I don't know. But anyway. The thing looks a little thin. I guess not that big of a hole. I don't know if you can see that. But here we go. I'm kind of scared. They all started up here because I guess, you know, you have different lengths of hair. And maybe some of the shorter pieces are split. I feel like I can't even get here. Okay, here we go. Lord Jesus. It's not that much in there. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. This is a little piece of hair. I mean, I see a little bit. You see that? A little bit. I know. This hair kind of broke off when I got a little weave last time, so. Uh-oh. I'm just going to do this little part right here. Okay. I think I need to do shorter, thicker squares. So this is, I'm gonna do half and half. Okay. Because I feel like it's not even in my hair. But okay. This is where I see the most of my split ends at. Ouch! I can't even comb through it. I should have. Hold on. I need to comb through it first, Jack, because I could not even pull that through. That's another thing, is I'm very tender-headed too. Let me get this hair that I've done out the way. Let's try that again. I ain't gonna lie, that kind of hurts. I I said, I am very tender-headed. And look, I'm yanking my hair out too. I wanted this to work, but so far, I don't know how I feel. Don't know how I feel. And then it's a knot right here that I know it's like a split end. Why did that not come out? You know what? I'm not gonna keep doing it. Where are my scissors? I'm just gonna cut that little knot off. Yeah, that's gotta be a split end. Why didn't I catch that? You know what? I'm gonna keep hope alive that it's doing something. But oh, that hurt. Like I said, I am very tender-headed. I'm gonna actually run a blow dry through this. Okay, now that I'm looking at it, it's a little bit more in there. So it's doing something. Let me see. Ow, I cannot get this through my hair. How did y'all do this? Am I too tender-headed for this? Yeah, this hurts. Oh, damn, forgot to comb it. I just put the blow dryer through it. Oh no, it hurts. I mean, I see some of it. The only thing is, like, it is kind of ripping my hair out a little bit. My hair breaks easily anyway, so I don't know if it's just my hair or what, but I feel like everything rips my hair out. Like, got some split ends in there. You see that? Okay. Ow. Okay, after doing half of my head, I realized that it's easier for me to just run the blow dryer back through it real quick, and then it's easier for me to pull it through. So, let me do this section right here. You know what I realized? I didn't even read the directions. I just followed what people did on TikTok. And it clearly says snip the ends, not the length. I'm almost done with my hair. Oh, you know what? I can't read. This says the benefits is it snips the ends and not the length. Okay. You know what? I was almost like, wait. Well, where are the directions? Because that was just the benefits. The benefits. Okay. Directions. Oop. Oop. Must read this guide before using. Charge it first, okay? Push the arm, okay? Straighten the hair. Then pinch the hair in the machine and close the machine. Hair. Repeat steps 3. Okay, I mean, I've been doing it right. get it through my hair. It's so much easier. I'm kind of mad about that, but I did see one girl say you don't even have to have your hair straight to do it, and she was just doing it through her hair so easy. Oh my god! I guess I can change my, because I was gonna kind of talk bad about it a little bit, but maybe my fault, because this is so much easier. And less painful. Okay, this is the one thing that I am noticing. Like, I told you my hair knots up like really bad, and you can see there is a knot right here. But it's not getting that. It's not getting that. So what do I do? I don't even know if I should do this, but this is what I usually do. I'm just gonna cut it off. Cut it off. Because it's gonna get ripped off anyway. Yeah. So put in the comments what I should do when that happens, because what I usually do is cut it off. Close it and turn it off. Oh, I wanted to show you how much spit is. Yeah, but it just fell all over the floor. Okay, I think I can pick it up. Yeah. I feel like it's a little bit more than that to fell on the floor, but this is how much split ends came off. I think that might be pretty accurate. I'm kind of impressed. I mean, I hope it works. You know what? I blow dried and oh, look, split ends on my shirt too. I gotta work on this YouTube thing. I'm new here. I'm old here, but I'm new here because I ain't never really put no content on here, but you know what I mean. So overall, I mean, my ends do feel a little bit nicer, and it was pretty easy to use. I'm going to, come back and give you my honest opinion after I done twisted my hair and wore it a few days, because I'm always spotting some split ends here and there. I'm gonna let you know if my hair is less tangly, but overall I would give it like a 8 out of 10. I mean, it hurt at first. I was gonna give it a low score, but I realized when I straighten my hair, it's easier to pull through. So I'm not gonna blame that on the split end trimmer. I'm gonna blame it on me. But I mean, I like it. I'm definitely gonna try to use it again. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to the beauty shop and have them straighten my hair, blow it out, and then I'm gonna come home and use the split end trimmer probably in maybe 4 or 5 months. So I will do another video then, because this one may not be the best judge of it. But if you want to try the cordless split end trimmer, I'm going to have a link in the description box where you can order it, and I will send it to you.